Have you ever walked into a room and thought, something's just not right? Maybe you can't quite put your finger on it, but there's a sense that the space is missing something important. Sure, it might be tidy and organized, but somehow it still looks a bit dull, almost lifeless. You might have spent ages cleaning, dusting, and arranging every piece of furniture, yet the space feels flat and uninspired, like it's lacking energy or warmth. This happens to everyone, me included. No matter how much effort we put in, sometimes our rooms just don't feel quite right. Sometimes, a room just doesn't have that wow factor, that spark that makes you want to spend time there or show it off to friends. We often think the answer is buying expensive furniture or fancy decor, hoping that a big purchase will magically transform the space. But that can be costly and stressful, especially when you realize your budget doesn't stretch as far as you'd like. Not to mention, trends change so fast. What's in style today might look outdated next year, making it hard to keep up. It's easy to feel stuck with a space that doesn't show your personality or style, leaving you frustrated and uninspired. And, who wants their home to look like everyone else's? Cookie-cutter interiors can feel impersonal and bland. The truth is, most rooms feel off because they're missing a little magic, a unique touch that brings everything together. That magic isn't always about what you have, but how you see the space and how you use what's already there. It's about finding just one smart trick or creative idea that can lift the whole look and make your space feel brand new. Let's be honest, everyone wants their home to feel welcoming, comfortable and special, a place where you can truly relax. Luckily, I've got a secret that can help, and it won't break the bank. You don't need a huge budget to create a space you love, just a little creativity and the right approach. Ready for the big reveal? The trick is adding a large, beautiful mirror. Yes, that's it. A good-sized mirror, placed just right, can instantly make any room look more stylish and expensive. And the best part? You can easily find gorgeous mirrors for under $50. Mirrors aren't just for checking your hair, they're powerful design tools. They bounce light around the room. They make spaces look bigger and brighter. Suddenly, your room feels more open and inviting. You don't need to spend a fortune on designer decor. A simple mirror, when chosen well, transforms your space in minutes. I've seen the difference in my own home and in so many others. Next time you want to freshen up a room, don't rush out to buy new furniture. Try this trick first. You'll be amazed at how much better your space feels. There's actually some clever science behind why mirrors work so well. It's not just a design hack. It's rooted in physics and psychology, making it a powerful tool for transforming any space. Mirrors reflect light, which instantly brightens dark corners. By bouncing sunlight or lamplight into areas that would otherwise be shadowy, mirrors can make a room feel much more lively and inviting. Natural or artificial light bounces off the mirror and spreads through the room, reaching places that direct light can't always touch. This effect can make even the gloomiest spaces feel cheerful and full of energy. That extra light makes everything look fresh and welcoming. It can highlight your favorite decor, brighten up your furniture, and even make colors pop more vibrantly. Mirrors also create the illusion of space. By reflecting the room back at you, they trick your eyes into seeing double the area, making cramped quarters feel much more open. When you see a reflection, your mind thinks the room is bigger than it is. This optical illusion is a simple way to make any space feel less confined and more comfortable. This is an old designer's secret for making small rooms feel open and airy. Professionals have used this trick for decades to help apartments, studios, and even hotel rooms feel more spacious. Even a tiny flat can seem twice as big with a well-placed mirror. It's one of the easiest and most affordable ways to visually expand your living area without any renovations. Plus, mirrors add a touch of glamour. Whether your style is classic or modern, a beautiful mirror can become a statement piece that elevates the entire room. From Hollywood movies to stylish hotels, mirrors are everywhere. They're used by top designers to create drama, elegance, and a sense of luxury in any setting. They look fancy, even if you got yours on sale. You don't have to spend a fortune to get that high-end look. Even budget-friendly mirrors can make a big impact. The clean lines and simple shine make any space feel more put together. Mirrors can tie a room together, making it look thoughtfully designed and effortlessly stylish. So it's not just about seeing your reflection, it's about enhancing your environment and making your home feel brighter, bigger, and more beautiful. It's about changing how you see your whole room. A single mirror can shift the entire mood and atmosphere, making you fall in love with your space all over again. A mirror can turn a dull area into a showstopper, without any heavy lifting. It's a simple upgrade that delivers dramatic results, proving that sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Before you rush out to buy a mirror, let's talk about what to look for. First, measure your wall space. A bigger mirror makes a bigger impact, but it shouldn't overwhelm the room. For most spaces, a mirror between 18 to 36 inches works well. Next, set your budget. You can find great options online, in charity shops, or at home stores. Look for clean, simple designs. Think about your style. Do you like modern, vintage, or rustic? Even a plain frame can look stunning when used right. You'll also need some basic tools. Most mirrors come with hanging hardware. You might need a drill, a hammer, and wall anchors. If you're renting, look for stick-on hooks that won't damage walls. And don't forget cleaning supplies. Give your mirror a good wipe before hanging. A spotless mirror shines brightest and looks expensive, even if it wasn't. All right, let's get into the fun part, hanging your mirror. This is one of the simplest ways to completely change the vibe of any room, and you don't need to be a professional to pull it off. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious house, a well-placed mirror can make a huge difference. First, start by choosing the best spot. Take a moment to walk around your room and really look at your walls. Think about where a mirror would have the most impact, not just for looks, but for function too. You'll want to look for a wall that faces a window or, some sort of light source. Placing your mirror across from a window is a classic trick that designers use to maximize natural light. This will really help bounce light around the room, making the space feel more open, airy, and inviting. Even on cloudy days, you'll notice the difference. If you can, try placing the mirror so it reflects something pretty, like a plant or a nice piece of artwork. This little detail adds depth and interest, almost like creating a window to another part of your home. Next, mark the spot where you want to hang the mirror. Don't rush this step. Take your time to make sure it's exactly where you want it. Just use a pencil to make small marks. Nothing fancy. These marks will help you line everything up perfectly, and they're easy to erase later. Make sure the mirror is at eye level for most people. This usually means the center of the mirror should be about 57 to 60 inches from the floor, which is the average eye height. If it's going above a sofa or table, leave about 6 to 8 inches of space underneath. This gap keeps things looking balanced and intentional, not crowded. Now it's time to install the hanging hardware. Make sure you're using the right hooks or brackets for your wall type. Drywall, plaster, or brick all need different hardware. And if your mirror is on the heavy side, definitely use wall anchors for a bit of extra safety. You don't want your beautiful new mirror crashing down in the middle of the night. Double check that everything is straight before you hang the mirror. A wonky mirror is not the look we're after. Use a level or even a smartphone app to make sure it's perfect. Once it's up, step back and admire your handiwork. Take a moment to appreciate how much brighter and more stylish your room looks now. Watch how the room instantly feels bigger and brighter. Mirrors are like magic. They can double the light and make even the smallest spaces feel grand. You did it, for less than $50. Not only did you upgrade your space, but you did it yourself. That's something to be proud of. Even the best tricks can go wrong if you're not careful. One mistake is choosing a mirror that's too small. Tiny mirrors get lost on the wall and don't make much impact. Don't be afraid to go big. Another mistake is placing the mirror too high or too low. If it's above eye level, it won't reflect much and can feel awkward. Always aim for eye level, unless you're creating a special effect. Don't hang your mirror where it only reflects clutter or a blank wall. That won't add any beauty to your space. Take a moment to stand in different spots and see what the mirror will show. Finally, don't forget about safety. Make sure your mirror is securely attached, especially if you have kids or pets. A fallen mirror is no fun for anyone. Mirrors aren't just for living rooms. In the bedroom, hang a mirror above your dresser to make mornings brighter. Or try a floor-length mirror to add drama and help you get ready. In the hallway, a mirror can open up a narrow space. Place it at the end of a hallway to draw the eye and create a sense of depth. In the bathroom, a stylish mirror over the sink can make even a tiny washroom feel posh. Don't forget the dining area. A mirror here reflects candlelight or pretty table settings, making family meals feel extra special. You can even use several small mirrors in a group for a fun, modern look. No matter where you put it, a mirror brings light, space, and style. It's the easiest way to upgrade any room. Promise. Want to really impress? Try layering your mirror with other decor. Place a plant or a vase of flowers in front of it. The reflection doubles the beauty and adds a designer touch. You can also use mirrors to highlight your favorite parts of a room. Hang one near a gallery wall or opposite a bookshelf filled with treasures. The mirror will draw attention to what you love most. For an extra luxe look, choose a mirror with an interesting frame. Gold, black, or wooden frames all add a different vibe. Even a simple frame can look expensive if it matches your style. Finally, remember to keep your mirror sparkling clean. Dust and fingerprints make even the nicest mirror look dull. Give it a quick wipe every week for a forever fresh feel. You don't need to spend a fortune to have a beautiful home. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. A $50 mirror can turn a tired room into a space you're proud of. If you're feeling stuck or your space feels boring, give this trick a try. It's quick, easy, and almost always works. You'll be shocked at how much lighter and bigger your room feels. I love how one simple change can lift your mood and make your home feel special. It's not about having the fanciest things, it's about loving where you live. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a mirror, find the perfect spot, and watch your room glow. You've got this.